Right now in America, two people are staring at the exact same technology and feeling two completely different things. One just got a layoff email because a model does 80% of their job for free. The other just got poached for the third time in 18 months. They're under 30, they have zero student debt, and they're making $240,000 a year. Same economy, same AI boom, two totally different fates. And the difference isn't luck, it's a filter. Once you understand that filter, you will never look at a safe job the same way again. So I built this entire list around it. The 15 jobs AI genuinely cannot replace, ranked, grouped with the real numbers from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Stay to the end because the single trait that ties all 15 together is the most valuable career insight I can give you in 2026. Here's the filter. A job is truly AI proof only if it clears at least one of three walls. Wall 1, physical presence. AI can't fake. Somebody has to actually be in the crawl space, on the roof, or at your bedside. Wall 2, licensed judgment AI can't legally hold. A chatbot cannot sign off on your care or carry the liability. Wall 3, human trust AI can't buy. In the worst moments of your life, you want a person, not a prompt. Every job on this list clears at least one wall. The best clear all three. Let's count them down. We start with the trades, and I have to be blunt first. For about 20 years, an entire generation got one message: go to college, avoid the trades, that work is beneath you. That advice aged like milk. The data has flipped the story completely. Number 1, electricians. BLS projects 9% growth through 2034. 3 times the average for all jobs, with about 81,000 openings every year. Median pay $62,350. Top earners clear $106,000. And here's the part the headlines leave out. The AI boom itself is driving it. According to the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, electrical work makes up an estimated 45 to 70% of data center construction cost. Dirty Jobs host Mike Rowe put it bluntly on the Power Players podcast in March 2026. The young electricians he met at a data center in Plano, Texas were all under 30, making $240,000 to $280,000 a year, none with any debt, each poached 3 times in the prior 18 months. The machines that threaten desk jobs literally cannot get built without electricians. Number 2, plumbers, pipe fitters, and steam fitters. Median pay $62,970, about 44,000 openings a year, 4% growth. Not the flashiest number. But here's what nobody tells you. An aging generation of plumbers is retiring faster than new ones arrive, and you cannot pipe a building through a screen. Number 3, HVAC technicians. 8% growth. Much faster than average. About 40,100 openings a year. Median pay near $60,000. And guess what those AI data centers do without cooling? They overheat and die. HVAC is now core AI infrastructure. Number 4, elevator and escalator installers, the sleeper of the whole list. Median pay $100,000 to $6,580, the only building trade with a 6-figure median, more than double the national median for all jobs. 5% growth, high school diploma plus an apprenticeship, no 4-year degree, no debt. Keep watching. The next group grows even faster, powered by the exact same electricity crunch. Number 5, wind turbine service technicians, the single fastest growing occupation in the entire country. BLS projects 49.9% growth through 2034, roughly 10 times the average. Median pay $62,580, about 2,300 openings a year, and you enter with a 2-year associate degree or a certificate. The reframe: a robot can't dangle 300 feet up in the wind to swap a gearbox. Wall 1 fully cleared. Number 6, solar photovoltaic installers. Tied as the fastest growing job in America. 42% growth, median pay $51,860, about 4,100 openings a year, start with a high school diploma. Fair caveat because I won't hype you. Both of these are small occupations, so the giant percentages sit on a small base. But the direction is unmistakable. The grid needs more power, and people install that power by hand. Quick pause. Because we're halfway, and this is the perfect place to ask. If this list is already changing how you think about the next 10 years, do two things for me. Hit that like button. It genuinely helps this reach someone stuck in a job that's quietly disappearing. And subscribe, because I break down one of these every single week. That's it. Now here's why you want to stay. Everything so far cleared one wall, physical presence. The next group clears two at once, licensed judgment and human trust. And it includes a career growing 40% while paying six figures. This is where AI hits a wall it legally cannot climb. Now, trust plus a license, the two-wall software simply can't climb. Number 7. Nurse practitioners. The third fastest growing occupation in the country. 40% growth, median pay $132,050, about 32,700 openings a year for advanced practice nursing. A licensed provider who diagnoses and prescribes. Legal judgment AI cannot hold. Number 8, physician assistants. 20% growth, median pay $133,260, about 12,000 openings a year. Master's degree, state license, real legal responsibility. A model can't carry. Number 9, registered nurses. 5% growth doesn't sound dramatic until you realize this is a 3.4 million person workforce with about 189,100 openings every year. More than almost any skilled job in America. Median pay, $93,600. And here's the quote that matters. On The Tucker Carlson Show, reported by Fortune in September 2025, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said a job he's confident will not be that impacted is nursing. That people really want that deep human connection with a person in that moment, no matter how good the AI's advice is. When the man building the AI tells you nursing is safe, listen. Number 10, mental health and substance abuse counselors. 17% growth, median pay $59,190, about 48,300 openings a year. Here's what the headlines leave out. In Oxford's landmark Frey and Osborne study, the paper that famously warned 47% of U.S. jobs were at risk, counseling scored under 0.5% chance of computerization. You cannot outsource human trust in a crisis to a chatbot. Number 11. Physical therapists, 11% growth, median pay $101,020, about 13,200 openings a year. Doctorate, license, and fundamentally hands-on. AI can suggest exercises. It can't rehab your shoulder. Number 12, speech-language pathologists. 15% growth, median pay about $95,000, roughly 13,300 openings a year. Helping a stroke survivor speak again, or a child form their first words, is pure human connection plus clinical judgment. Coming up, the last cluster is the one AI depends on most when its own systems fail. Number 13. Firefighters. 3% growth, about 27,100 openings a year. Median, pay $59,530. Nobody sends a language model into a burning building. Number 14. EMTs and paramedics. 5% growth, about 19,000 openings a year. Paramedic median, $58,410. EMT median, $41,340. The purest physical presence job on the list. Someone has to kneel on the pavement and keep you alive. Number 15, special education teachers. And here's an honest one. BLS actually projects employment to decline about 1%. But there are still roughly 37,800 openings a year. median pay $64,270, and chronic shortages nationwide. Individualized teaching of kids with complex needs is exactly the human relationship work AI can't replicate. It earned its spot on the strength of the walls, not the growth rate, and I want to be straight with you about that. Now, step back, because here's the reframe that changes everything. While AI companies quietly cut white collar headcount, their own leaders are pointing at this exact list. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, built on over 1,000 employers representing 14 million workers, says the fastest declining roles are postal clerks, bank tellers, and data entry clerks. Desk jobs, everyone. The fastest growing include green energy and skilled trade roles. Meanwhile, JLL reports about 600,000 trade jobs were posted last year, while only about 150,000 new workers came in through apprenticeships. And the U.S. Department of Education estimates that for every 5 tradespeople who retire, only 2 younger workers replace them. And here's my favorite insight: the AI backstop. When an AI system fails, the data center overheats, the power flickers, the model spits out dangerous advice, who gets called? A human, an electrician, an HVAC tech, a nurse. AI doesn't eliminate these jobs, it increases demand for the humans who catch it when it falls. There's also a money angle nobody talks about. A trades apprentice earns while they learn and finishes debt-free. A 4-year grad can start their career owing $30,000 or more before earning a single dollar. In 2026, the debt-free electrician and the indebted graduate are not playing the same game. So what's the one trait tying all 15 together? Every single one is anchored in the physical, the licensed, or the human world. The 3 walls. Presence AI can't fake, judgment AI can't legally hold, trust AI can't buy. That's the filter. Run any career you're considering through those 3 walls. Clears at least one, you're on solid ground. Clears none, that's your signal to start reskilling today. If this reframed how you think about your future, hit subscribe. This channel is about staying ahead of AI instead of getting run over by it. And for the other side of the coin, watch my video, 10 Jobs That Will Disappear by 2030. Are you at risk? Next, it's the exact mirror image of this list, and together they give you the full map. Then drop this in the comments. Out of all 15, which one would you actually do, and why? I read every reply. See you in the next one.